Good morning everyone, I have managed to get my sound to work, so here is a morning video, but I'm having to use these big headphones. Alright, so my joke for the day is how do celebrities stay cool? And the answer is that they have a lot of fans. So, poetry, you're starting off with poetry. So remember this slide, and you're doing a I am poem today. So same format as always, you'll find your reading questions there and an example of an I am poem. And then you just have to answer these. Do it on a new slide, so you just right click, add new slide. And then you're writing your own I am poem, and we've got the slide down here for you to do it on. Thank you to everyone that's been writing poems. I've been having a look through all of them yesterday, and I especially love the limericks you've been doing, actually. So then, after you've done that, you do maths, and maths is a bit of a fun day today. So you just get to go on Matific, or you can play some dice or card games, which you can find on this sheet here. Then after you've done that, you got inquiry, and inquiry today, you're making a prediction about what you think A Midsummer Night's Dream is about. So just 2 to 3 sentences, and what you need to include in this answer is what the theme might be, and the theme is the underlying message behind the play. So you can also draw a picture to illustrate your interpretation. And if you draw a picture, just insert a new slide down here and then insert and then take a picture using your camera. Just add it onto the slide. And then after that, you can just finish any incomplete work. So that might be a previous poem, or it might be a maths task, or you might not have finished the art yet, or the spelling slide. So it could be anything you haven't finished. So that's there. And then after that, you've got your spelling test. Then after you've done your spelling test, you've got fitness again. So remember the fitness slide is down here. I'm going to be doing another Zoom meeting this morning at 10 o'clock, so join that if you have any questions about the work. And yeah, have another good day everyone, and have an awesome weekend. Remember to email me if you have any questions once the Zoom meeting's finished. See ya.